Hi guys, this is Shanti and you are welcome to the Wow Detector. Today I thought I'll do something different. Like you can see, the setup is also very different and the makeup look that I'm wearing is perfect for this Eid. I have taken the inspiration from the all pink look of Jacqueline Fernandez, because if you have seen her look from the movie Race 3, she is looking so hot and so cute at the same time. So it is a perfect look which you can also try. I'll show you how. So if you like this look, do let me know in the comments below what compliments you got by trying it out. Also, you would want to let me know what more videos you want to watch on my channel. So stay tuned, keep subscribing, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon, because every time I make a video for you guys, you will get the notification instantly. So until then, stay wow and I shall catch you all soon. A very happy Eid to everybody out there.